Right, guys, I'm pretty sure the neighbor's cat is meowing at me. It's very late at night. This is my worst week of the challenge. I just looked at my YouTube channel. Sad. I've only done my yoga 3 times this week. Right now is my 3rd time. I'm supposed to do it 5. Like a month and a half ago, I almost quit the challenge because I missed a day, a couple days, a couple different days in different weeks, and had only done it 4 days. It's 3, guys, 3. I don't have a good excuse. So that's mountain pose. I'm gonna do downward facing dog. I sanded a step today, a step and a half, because the last time I did a step, I ended up having to go to my massage business for a client, and I didn't quite get it all the way done. So I'm telling you, this is feeling pretty good, pretty hurting good. Weight should be in the heels, head should be straight down, not like up like this. I have no idea what other pose I'm going to do. I'm going to do this side twist one. So again, I'm breathing down into the lower part of my lungs, which makes my belly come out, and then when I breathe out, my belly button is going back toward my spine, sucking my belly in. I didn't bring my notes. I really don't want to do yoga, but I can't let myself get away with 2 days. So, probably going to edit this part out. Oh, I haven't done this in a long time. My lats could probably use it. It's like a side bend or something. Again, I'm not a yoga instructor. This is a personal journey. And apparently I really need it because 3 days of a 5-day-a-week challenge is super sad. Oh, this is so that is 4 poses, 5 poses. Fingers were wide apart, pressing my hands into each other, palms down, elbows up, shoulders relaxed. I'm staring at my sign on my porch right now. Dance like no one's watching. Trying to decide if I'm brave enough to dance exercise on YouTube in winter when I don't do yoga in nature.